Hello, hello, hello. It is I, the person who is making this Astrogom Level share project or whatever. This is an updated video to help you understand how to use the editor. So basically, first things you need to know is you can navigate on what do you have that you want, what do you want to place onto the scene through these arrows, and then you click to drag. And if you want to delete something, you click this, and then you just click and drag what you want to have deleted. That's the basic part. Now, if you want to move the camera up and down, you press W to go up, S to go down, or you can use your scroll wheel, which kind of feels nice. It doesn't have the easing, but I can add that eventually. Um, yeah, so there's also the play testing. Now, this is where things get very keybindy because they're new. First off, if you want to trace edges, and what I mean by that is initially blocks are placed like this. If you want to trace them, you have to press T on your keyboard, and then it'll look into like its actual object form. This is a version before power-ups and all that stuff, so there's not really all that much you can do here. But you press, if you want to set a player spawn point, you go onto the grid space that you want to have it spawn and press Q. And it also makes it that you can't build anything in there, so probably going to change that soon. Now, if you want to playtest, you gotta press space on your keyboard, and it'll spawn you in. And if you want to get out of playtesting, press escape. And it'll keep the player's position, and also it'll have like a bunch of trail things too. You see when you hover over it, it'll say press shift. And I'll show you what happens when you press shift. It traces back to that square, wherever you were in that square, and it also keeps your momentum data. But if you want to restart, you just press space, and it'll clear the trail. So let me just like do something cool. Yeah, see, there's that. What else am I missing here? Yeah, actually, I think that's it. You can just press shift on something and it'll spawn you there. It's pretty epic. Now, also, once you have your level built, loading is not an option yet. That's not added still. You can click this symbol right here, or press C on your keyboard to copy all of this. And there's all of this information up here, which you might need to know, depending on whether or not if you are a Nitro subscriber. See, there are different numbered limits for Nitro user, and then Classic, and then Normal. The normal Discord user and the Nitro Classic, they have a character limit of 2,000, and Nitro users have 4,000, and it's very beneficial. And you can see it's already past the Nitro Classic and free. So once you click copy, go to Emoji share channel or wherever you want, as long as you're in the server and have the emojis. You can paste that in, and it'll appear, and you can send it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's what I have done so far in this project. You should be subscribed to Nitro for the best experience.